Post lunch and Pallahat, finally our Reli hike started. It's fun. Reli river and first time sling bag. Namo, namo. Lathita now. Using a trek stick, it's very easy for me to go anywhere. That's why I always use trek stick. And I asked my father to capture the video. So this is how he tried to do that.
আস্তে এই নে দেখ দেখে নে হয়ে গেছে দেখ আমার তো একটু তুলবি নি
এটা তুমি অন করো So I am not Papa ki pari, but we fight a lot and my mother is referee always. এই তোমার ভিডিও হচ্ছে ঠিক আছে Okay, this is really hike or trek and finally we are here. It's worth it guiding me. I'm in love with this gorur bachcha. That is the route. Rage na. Really is changed right now. Most of the part is dry and 2023 when we came here we don't have to come this way, so I have to go somehow there. Let's see. Finally it's really 2025, everything is changed. I have to come from different side. All are boulders. I cannot go much. Finally it's really he never get down into water. I have to go there for 4 times for this clip actually, so it's worth it and I think this is the last time I am here in Reli. The fun part is I always try to capture what my father is doing and he is doing the vice versa because we have to show it to my mom. We both were of us. Here, that is in Eden, and from cross this road, no road at all, and then we come to this Reli. Reli river hike is done, so we are going back to Eden. Basically, you know, I never thought or I never say that my father is aged. He's 70 up and I had that fracture in coccyx, but still I can do it. So with the safety we can do it if you want to, and you have to take care of your health definitely. Stick I'm using because it will give me support, and this time I don't have to wear the belt either. So jara bolte thake amar boyoshko baba and all, it's nothing like that. He is more fit than me. I am not that fit. The way he is going, rather he has to guide me. So we are going back and then a good memory. Sunset from Reli river is really amazing. I love to go back there if I'll get a chance. So when I was coming back I saw a chattan or patthar where it's written I love Reli, so I clicked it and I love to walk into the river. I love to capture memories as much I can, and definitely it will be helpful for others too. My father is not okay with camera, so I have to tell him a lot, please look at the camera. So it's very rare to click pictures of my mom and dad, and now we are going back. So cross this one. So from there we have to go down there, and we went to Reli river again, going back. So first this one I can get some steps, but after that there will be really very tough. At least if you're regular then it's okay. So there we have to go up.
হ্যাঁ
Finally I managed to click a selfie together. That is when we are coming back. So these are the videos. These are shaky because my father captured this. He is not used to with this. He asked my mom how to click video and then he tried, and we really had a good fight over there. Seriously, if you think we don't have, that is wrong. We often fight a lot because my question is why you cannot take the picture of mine, and he will say I am taking the picture of nature. So this is going on, this is quite normal. And obviously I love to add these videos which my parents capture, because that is what a family do. ঝগড়াঝাটি চলতেই থাকে, but that does not mean, and whenever we fight, every time we fight and we said this is the last time, we are not coming back, I am not coming with you. And when the next year coming, my father keep asking me where we are going. So this is what we are, and my father is clicking, he will show it to my mom that I went to the river and what I did. So this is actually fun. I think you can relate with that, because these are the memories of my parents will be with me, and vice versa. So this is taken by my baba, and often ask me people that what gear I'm using. Nothing, I'm not even using any mic. I just use the sink tank, talking and capturing. I don't like to use the mic. I want to keep that natural sound. So that's why no other mic or external device, because where I will charge it, that's it. Reli river trek or hike, whatever you want to say. So first time he's using this stick. Never follow. This is his actually happy face, and next picture I have to go 3-4 times for this picture. Stay tuned for the next video. Hope you enjoying.